Hello and welcome to a bit serious plugin tutorial. On this tutorial we will talk about linear level loader, which is available on a bit serious plugin and also will be available as ABS linear level loader plugin on marketplace. So to make this example, I have used Infinity Blade assets, which are free on marketplace, and we have a template on side scroller. So but what is linear level loader? So instead of a big explanation, let's just show you how it works. So we have this small sphere, touch me to spawn levels. As you can see, a level has spawned. Let me eject and show you what's happening. Lots of level have spawned and still spawning. As you can see. Well, where that levels came from? So that levels are these guys right here with the blue spheres and with the red spheres. So how this guys works? So basically we have two big components that make the magic. The first one is this guy here. It's linear level out. It basically tells us where do you want to load the level and which mesh we want to use to make that connection. Okay, so the second guy is the controller. The controller just loads these guys right here. It takes that position, that's transformed, position, rotation, and select which level will be loaded on that list here, how many it will load, and then start loads. So now let's see how we can make it something just like I did on my example. I have this clean level. Okay, there is nothing here, just a floor, a wall, player start. As you can see, no levels loading. Okay, so let's make some levels to load here. Okay, so the first guy we're gonna need it is ABS linear level loader linear level controller BP right here. Okay, that's the first guy, and the second guy is linear level out. As you can see, there's this small arrow telling to which direction the level will be loaded. So let's rotate it. Okay, very good. Now we have to tell what mesh we use to connect these guys. In that case, I use a corridor, but you can use any mesh you want. Okay. Now, on controller, you tell how many rooms we want to spawn. I'll put 4, but you can use how many as you can. Okay. Now, that's it. That's the first part. Now, the second step is to create a level to be loaded. So we already have dynamic 0, dynamic 1. Let's create a new level called dynamic 2. Okay, let's save this guy. Okay, as you can see, there's nothing here. Let's put some floor here, right here. Let me make it unlit so you can see it without any lights. Let's place it at 0. Okay, so right now we have a problem. We have this level, but we don't know where the out level, the linear out level, will be. We have no idea, and to which direction it's pointing. So to help us on that, we have another small component called ABS linear level in. As you place it on screen, you see that you are unable to move it, and that's because it just points us, okay, so the level will connect here and move to that direction. Okay, so let's make this guy rotate here, and let's place it right here. Okay, down a little. Okay, let's make it, try to make it on middle. Oh, okay, that's good. That's something. A little down a little bit. Okay, so now let's make some, just don't have nothing. I will put a small sphere, glowing green. Okay, let me look for my material. Okay, and also to assure that we, after we load that level, we will load another level, I'll have to put another linear level out right here at the end. That's it. Corridor, because I want to use corridor as a mesh. Okay, it's working. Now let's go back to our clean level. And how do we tell this guy that we want to load dynamic level 2? That guy here. So first of all, we add, you see it's none. Then we right click here, copy reference, paste here, delete apostrophes and word. Now let's see if it works. Probably nothing, because the controller is there, the out position is there, we had the level, but we didn't tell it to start. How do we do that? On that example I have showed to you, I have that guy, when we touch it, it starts to load the level. So, but in this example I use the level blueprint. So let's make it, let's drag and drop this guy here, and on begin play, let's call a function called spawn all. Spawn all means it will spawn all the levels it can. In that case, we set as a 4. So let's see it. As you can see here, the level spawned. My green sphere here, let me jump it. And again the green sphere, and again the green sphere, and so on. Then you ask, why this? Well, that's because we told we just have one level to load. So how do we fix this? Well, just copy the other levels to the controller. So do it again. Copy reference, add new one, paste, delete apostrophes, delete the word at the beginning, and put another one, copy, reference, paste it, and that's it. Now when we play it, loaded the normal level, then okay again, and now that's it, that's another level. Another down, but it's all randomic. But as you can see, it loaded 4 levels. Okay, and that's it. Simple as it could be. You just point it where you want it, point the direction. Let's make a little play with it. Let's rotate this guy. Okay, and move a little bit further. Now play it. You can see the level loading. So the intention of this plugin is to make it simple to make dynamic loading. You can load one by one, you can load all at once, and this guy already should have a network support, so you can use it for network games too. And that's it. Let's move that guy back. Take this guy. Okay, done. And that's it. See ya.